Alright, what's up guys? We're back with our 2022 Ford Maverick and we're going to be talking about the fits connectors for the truck today. So, the truck only comes with 2 cup holders and a bunch of bottle holders that aren't useful for cups that you get from the drink.
Like this. You're not putting a McDonald's cup right there.
But everyone has seen this slot. But nobody, I think only the people that got like the first editions actually got the pieces to put in here. And they want you to make your own. So that's what we're gonna show you how to do. But not only is there just this one that we're gonna make cup holders for, but underneath the seat in the storage, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more.
Bunch of them.
We're gonna try to at least find one use for these. I'm not sure what it's gonna be, but this definitely more cup holders in the truck. I know I want it. I think a lot of Maverick users want it. Let me come back around. I think a lot of Maverick users are gonna want it, so we're gonna show you how you can make your own. There's already a file out there, so we're just gonna pull it up, see if we can't make a few changes if we want. If not, just put it back in. But it'll give us 2 cup holders, not just one, so we'll have 4 total in the truck and make it a lot better when you're getting drinks like McDonald's or whatever. So we're gonna go inside and start that.
All right, so this is what we got. Swing over here. We got what's coming in now. But this is what our file looks like. That's obviously the piece that goes down in your truck, and you'll see it like from this view. That's the top view.
Okay.
But there's our cup holders.
So what do we have to do now? What do you do from here?
Well, you gotta put this into whatever slicing software you like.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna use Cura because that's what I got. So we get in here, and then we would just get off of that, come over here, go back down. Right, whoops, right there. Wow.
So now this is it, showing us what it's gonna look like for real.
Yeah. That's the print.
Mm-hmm.
So now we would just hit slice. Actually, I gotta redo all of this. Hang on, cancel that. We don't need 50 infill. Put that down like what you think of 15?
10.
10. And then I'm gonna do a brim.
You gotta change the speed or no?
No, I'm gonna leave it at 100. There you go. That's how long it's gonna take.
Forever. And then we'll have some cup holders made.
Yep.
And then, so we just gotta take this to the 3D printer. And then load it up, start printing.
Yeah, well, we gotta put on SD card. Put it on SD card, then put the SD card in the printer, and then print.
Alright, we got the file from what, Thingiverse?
Yep.
I'm gonna link it down below if you wanna print it yourself. And then we'll let you know how the file turns out, if it's any good. But if you wanna print it, that's the file you need. So we're gonna go take this to the printer.
Yeah.
So what you got going on?
Put the SD card, turn it on.
Ah, it needs to preheat, huh? We'll be back.
Alright, so we got the file, it's in the junk. You can see printer's going already. We got a little outline going. It'll be doing this for the next 5 hours. Building up. And we're just gonna go do nothing.
What kind of filament should people be using for this?
What was it? PETG, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's the good stuff. Or ABS, either one will work. You're not supposed to use PLA just because the heat will melt it. So
yeah, you want to use PETG because when you leave your car in the fucking sun, it heats up. And if you just use PLA, it's gonna go back to being like a liquidish state.
yeah.
So you want to use a filament that's able to resist a good amount of heat. So just keep that in mind when you're buying a filament or picking out which one you want to use. But we will be back
In probably 5 hours.
We'll be back in whenever this is done. Might give you an update halfway through. Hopefully everything goes according to plan this time. And then we'll let you know how it turns out.
Cool. Job done.
Job done.
Right here. Better pop it off right now.
There's our cup holders.
There's our cup holders.
In the nice little purple color.
Nice in the purple color.
This is like our only option.
Yeah, that's all we got.
We ran out of the other ones. By that I mean this one was already on the spool.
Need to get a new pride tool. This joint fucking blows. Man, that joint sucks. getting that good action.
In the meantime, we did have a couple problems with a printer. As you can see, this isn't complete. And the second one is even worse. We're not really sure what happened. The printer jammed up a little bit, but we got it good the third time.
Yeah.
We just need to... We're just gonna do what, file it down?
Yeah, well, once it gets rid of this, you get a better look. There you go. That's what it's basically gonna look like after we clean it up a little bit.
We're just gonna have to clean it down a little bit, fix up, sand, or file, I mean, the edges where all these bumps are.
Yeah.
Clean up these little fibers. And then we're gonna, show them what it looks like in the truck after that?
Yeah.
Job done.
Job done.
Man, it looks like shit.
Alright, take a new clip of this joint all cleaned up.
Alright, we got our cup holder print cleaned up a little bit. Might do a little more later, but got the basic shape.
Just getting a little test fit action.
Get a little test fit. Can they see this?
Your legs are in the fucking way.
Can they see it now?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
You got a cup?
Nice and sturdy. I do not have a cup.
Alright, we're gonna get a cup. Alright, I got a few cups. We got a large one that you might get at like McDonald's or a gas station. Then you got like a travel coffee mug you might be using. Coffee mug in there, mint.
Nice.
And the Love's travel cup. Rests right on that little lip.
You can see that.
And they both fit together. You should be able to fit two of these. There's a big gap down here.
Yeah.
You should be able to fit both of these.
Two big ones.
But that's basically the cup holder, so it just slides out. For underneath the seat, we're gonna come up with some ideas for that later. This was the main idea of this video though.
Needed some cup holders too.
To get this inside the truck, because definitely needed some cup holders. Dig it out. But if you want to do this yourself, we'll, in the description box below, we'll link the file we used to print this. And if you don't have a 3D printer and you don't know anyone that does, we'll leave a link below. We might sell some prints of this to help you guys out. So just keep an eye out for that. But definitely need it in the truck, so make sure you either print one or get one from somewhere. But see you next video.